Well, my name is Mitesh Jain and our store name is Miracle. We've been here in Mazgaon for the last 12 years now, and we are a complete ladies solution store, right from kurtis to denims to tops to leggings to jackets, western wear for ladies. So it's a complete ladies solution store. Well, the USP of the store has been that we have a very good customer base of more than 12,000 customers, and God has been kind that the same customers have been coming repeatedly to us, which proves that we have been updating regularly in a very good way and giving change of fashion from time to time, and that is what has been a good feedback for us, and business has grown overall always. So it's a positive sign for us. Right from day one, when I started my store, we've been working with Sequence. It has been a very reliable brand. It has been a brand which we've been working for 12 years now. And we've maybe in the last 12 years, maybe hardly once or twice we must have got some complaints. Otherwise, we've never got any complaints regarding the brand, regarding the quality, regarding the fitting, and the service also from the brand side has been equally good. So touch wood, there's been no problem with, I'm very happy working with Sequence for the last 12 years. We have a lot of customers from the TV industry coming to us for their or the photography industry, coming to us for their shoot purpose and buying stuff from us, Sequence leggings they keep buying from us because it's a very popular brand and it's a tried and trusted product, USP of the brand has been the consistency with the quality, the color shades. The color shades which come over a period of time have been very similar, otherwise if the color chains keep differing, then it becomes difficult to match it and give it to the customer. So this has been the USP, and they have a wide range of colors also, which helps the customer get a lot of variety. There is no complaint from the brand Sequence, but it's just that some ladies want some options, उनको लगता है कि Sequence के अलावा और कौन सा ब्रांड है आपके पास. But generally 90% of our customers tell us कि हमको Sequence का ही लेगिंग चाहिए. So, but it's just that for an option, we kept a very minimum quantity of the other brand. It's majorly Sequence only which is there in the store. Even if we have some customer order for any particular color, and if we have ordered it, we have always got it. Like for example, just today I ordered something and I got it, So that's how it has been, So it's not a very big quantity, but even then it has been delivered. So that helps, So that is why we've been working with the brand for so long.